And now for something completely different. Hey YouTube, Kim Brzezlik here. We're going to melt a little 49 silver. It's 0.9999 fine silver. I have some drops here from other pours. This is an 18 gram. This was an over pour, although it has kind of a nice character to it. I call it my cactus. And I have the lunar surface. I actually have another lunar surface that I carry with me in my pocket all the time. And it is 19 grams. I also carry a nice German 1 ounce. And I got this character on a coin also. So this is probably going to be long enough. What do I do with my moon? No, that's in my pocket. I think I'm going to try to melt some of my larger pieces rather than melt the grains. So I think that might be just about the right amount. Get this out of place here. I have a fire extinguisher close at hand. I actually have 2 of them close at hand. All the danger is usually actual doing the pouring. It's all kind of hands-free before that. Using MAP gas. Crucible comes kind of untreated. What you want to do when you receive your crucible is get it red hot and you sprinkle it with borax laundry booster, and that melts and gives it kind of a glass glaze. I haven't done this with 2 torches before. Seems like it's going to go a lot faster than what I'm used to. You really want to heat the crucible and not the silver. You obviously want to melt the silver, but it's crucial to get the crucible hotter than the silver so that it'll pour out. Right here is the pour spout. You want to have that very hot. I'm not sure how well you can see it, but it seems to be solidifying in the center and still sticking to the walls. Got this little mold, I scratched my name into it. Be careful that all your tools are clean. You don't want to damage the integrity of the silver, the 4 nines. I will stamp this 999 fine silver. That should be good enough. I'm going to redirect a little bit. I'm working on cement board. It's a 1/4 inch thick. It should probably be a 1/2 inch. When you think it's ready, you want to give it 5 more minutes. So I think it's ready now. I can see some little silver beads running down from previous pours. I would usually follow the crucible with the torch to keep it hot, keep the flame on it while I am pouring. But I don't think that's going to be necessary in this case. We got a very nice puddle in there now, very uniform, very clear. Get it positioned. I wanted to position it so that the area I'm pouring down I don't know if you can see it, but got some little flakies going there in it. I'm not sure what it is. When those clear up, I'm gonna go ahead and do the pour. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it looks like there's little floaters in there. Okay, I think we're good now. Not so much. I didn't get it all out, and probably could have used a little bit more. So I don't know if you want to watch it again. Well, I'm going to try it again.